Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another project. Today we're going to be cleaning up these 9SK race panel wrenches. I want to get these cleaned up, looking the best we can for resale at the market. So I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty, well let's get a good look at what we got going on here. This is it's not too good. Oh, that side's not bad. Oh yeah, trash. I think what we're going to do is clean these up the best we can and get them back out to the market. Somebody out there's got to need a good little home starter set for, you know, doing little repairs around the house. And I'll even throw in the large brass safety pin just to keep them all in order. But yeah, let's get these things cleaned up. Alright guys, we're going to move these out of the way real quick. Throw our hot soapy degreaser water up here. Let these soak in there for a little while, try and break up any bit of funk that's on there. Alright, well these are all out of the degreaser. They, well they didn't clean up that good, but a lot of the grease is off, so that is a bonus. I want to throw these on the wire wheel, get them cleaned up a little bit, and then I'm going to soak them in some Deox C in my Ultrasonic cleaner. So let's start wire wheeling. Alrighty guys, I got the ultrasonic cleaner warming up. I got it set to 50 Celsius. I'm going to throw all the wrenches in a solution of Deox C in a Ziploc bag. And we're going to rumble and tumble that stuff in there. And I think that would be our best bet. So, let's go. Alrighty guys, well this thing stopped. Let's slide this off to the side here. Yeah, that was 30 minutes. Hot. Damn hot. Ow. Ow. Very hot. Is that it? Oof. Put that right back in there. I just threw this pin in here just to see if it would clean it up. It did. A lot more than I thought it was going to. I don't know. Anyway, let's get these wrenches cleaned up. We'll throw them back on the wire wheel. We'll see how they look. If they need another go around, then they need another go around. Didn't clean up too bad, to be honest with you. Not bad at all. Yeah, they didn't clean up too bad. Quite happy with that. They're a lot better looking than what they were. Kind of contemplating highlighting the SK on there, but I don't think I will. I'm just going to put them on the pin that they came on. It's all cleaned up again. And that's it. Not bad. That took me all of about, with the exception of waiting on the ultrasonic cleaner, that took me 15 minutes, guys. You know? So that's not that bad. And I know that they'll sell at the market, so awesome. Alrighty guys, well the SK wrenches came out fantastic. I am really happy with the way that they turned out. They will most definitely sell at the market. I've got thousands of wrenches to do like this, so this is just going to be an ongoing process until we get to the market. So that's it for this one, guys. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We will see you next week with another. Bye.